5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. We have heard Sri M.D. Singh Sekhar, Learned Counsel for the appellants in the first set of appeals and for respondents in the second set of appeals. Stop. Sri Sadanand Shukla and Sri B.D. Mandhyan have appeared for the respondents in the first set of appeals and Sri Sadanand Shukla has appeared for the appellants in the second set of appeals. Stop. Stanza. Brief facts of the case giving rise to both sets of appeals are Ganga Deen Ram Kumar, Inter College, Ramgarh, Bara District, Jaunpur, hereinafter referred to as the college, is a recognized institution under the UP Intermediate Act 1921, hereinafter referred to as Act. Stop. A scheme of administration had been framed for the college under the UP Intermediate Act 1921, which has been duly approved and subsequently amended by the Deputy Director of Education. Stop. The Committee of Management of the college is constituted in accordance with the approved and amended scheme of administration of the college. Stop. The dispute in these appeals relates to the constitution of the Committee of Management of the college. Stop. 1. Arjun Misra was elected as manager of the college in the year 1977 and continued to be elected in periodical elections till the election dated 1/4/1990 when a dispute arose. Stop. Arjun Misra claimed that he was elected as manager of the Committee of Management on 1/4/1990 and another rival election of the same date was set up by Virender Kumar Pandey, who claimed himself to be elected as manager of the college in the election. Stop. It was claimed that the number of members of the general body in the year 1990 election was 321. Stop. The district inspector of schools, finding a dispute, referred the matter to the Deputy Director of Education under Section 16A (7) of the Act for decision. Stop. The Deputy Director of Education, vide his order dated 2012-1991, refused to recognize either of the claimants and appointed a Pradhan Sanchalak (authorized controller) under the scheme of administration to conduct the fresh election by valid members of the society. According to them, the scheme of administration. So, the Deputy Director of Education further observed that the membership of the general body is not verified. Stop. Both the claimants, that is Arjun Misra and Virender Kumar Pandey, filed writ petitions challenging the order dated 2012-1991. The writ petitions filed by both the claimants were dismissed by a learned single judge of this court wide its judgment dated 2/2/1993 stop the order of the Deputy Director of Education appointing Pradhan Sanchalak was affirmed stop. This court directed the Deputy Director of Education to appoint Pradhan Sanchalak to manage the affairs of the institution and to hold fresh elections of the Committee of Management stop in pursuance of the order of this court dated 2/2/1993. The Deputy Director of Education appointed the District Basic Education Officer as Pradhan Sanchalak to conduct the election stop. Pradhan Sanchalak assumed the office on 5/3/1993 stop. Pradhan Sanchalak claimed to have received a list of 87 members of the general body from Virender Kumar Pandey, one of the claimants in the election dated 1/4/1990, accepting the said list as a valid list stop. Pradhan Sanchalak